Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs. Arriving at Suvarnabhumi Airport involves a clear sequence. Disembark, complete immigration with TDAC, collect baggage, clear customs, and proceed to transportation or connecting flights. Step 1. Disembark and move to arrival hall. After your plane lands, follow signs for arrivals. Depending on your gate concourse's CG, walking to the main terminal may take 10 to 20 minutes. If transferring to domestic flights, follow the transfer to domestic signs to avoid main immigration lines. Step 2. Immigration and passport control. Thailand Digital Arrival Card TDAC. Complete online 24 to 72 hours before arrival to receive a QR code for faster processing. Automated Border Control ABC. Available for Thai, Singaporean, and Hong Kong passport holders. Priority lanes reserved for diplomats, senior citizens 70 plus, pregnant travelers, families with infants, disabled individuals, Buddhist monks, and Thailand privilege cardholders. Standard processing. Foreign passport holders not eligible for ABC or priority lanes may wait 30 to 60 minutes during peak hours. At the counter, remove hats and sunglasses, scan fingerprints, and show your passport and TDAC QR code. Facial recognition and passport chip verification speed up the process for biometric passport holders. This is an extensive walking tour experience. Watching this gives you virtual adventure, and with the best of our ability, we offer an imitation that would grant you the lens to this wonderful experience with us. Step 3. Quarantine if applicable. Health control. Yellow fever vaccination may be required for travelers from certain countries. Plant and animal quarantine. Check restrictions for prohibited items. Step 4. Baggage claim. International flights. Carousels 5 to 23. While domestic flights, carousels 1 to 4. Baggage services. Thai Airways International and Bangkok Flight Services counters are available near specific carousels for assistance. Step 5. Customs. Green lane for passengers with nothing to declare, while red lane is for passengers with goods to declare, including excess alcohol, tobacco, or commercial items. Please like, share, and subscribe. Step 6. Transportation options. Taxi. Automatic queue card kiosks available. Grab limousine. Ride-hailing service. Bus and airport rail link. Convenient for downtown Bangkok. Rental cars. Available at the airport. Step 7. Connecting flights. International to international. Go through security on the 2nd or 3rd floor, then proceed to the boarding gate at least 45 minutes before departure. international to domestic, passport control, customs, and security on the second floor of Concourse C. Domestic to international, security on the second floor of Concourse B. Then proceed to the gate. Additional tips, fast track service, available for a premium, reducing wait times at immigration and security. SIM cards and currency exchange, available immediately after immigration. Estimated time from landing to exiting the airport, plan 1.5 to 3 hours, depending on queues and baggage. Following these steps ensures a smooth and efficient arrival at Suvarnabhumi Airport, whether you are entering Bangkok for the first time or connecting to another flight. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Please do watch our other Bangkok, Thailand playlist. Suvarnabhumi Airport code BKK is Thailand's main international gateway and the first point of contact for millions of travelers each year. Located east of Bangkok, this vast, modern airport handles the majority of long-haul international flights as well as many regional connections. The name comes from the Thai word meaning land of gold. At first glance, Suvarnabhumi can feel overwhelming. The terminal is huge, passenger numbers are high, and arrival flows can vary greatly depending on time of day and season. The good news is that the airport is well signposted, logically organized, and easier to navigate than it may initially appear. Have you been to Bangkok, Thailand? What was your experience? Let us know in the comments section below.
Day 3, di ba?
Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe for more exciting vlogs.